Hello viewers, let's fix the problem of disconnecting Wi-Fi in computer system. So right click on Wi-Fi in the lower corner, network and internet settings, open it, or simply let me cross it and click this window button. Now go to settings and you will reach the same area, network and internet. Click it and now click Wi-Fi. Now you will see all the list of Wi-Fi's. So click on the Wi-Fi which is connected currently, and it's on private network. Make it public and off this tick mark. Connect automatically when in range. When you off it, so your computer will not keep switching other Wi-Fi in range. If the problem fixed, okay. Otherwise click again network and internet, and now come down to advanced network settings, open it and now click network reset. When you click it, so click reset now and it will forget all the Wi-Fi along with the passwords stored. So click yes and close and restart your computer. So when you restart or reconnect, the Wi-Fi will ask for password, so give it the password and connect, and hope your problem would be resolved. Thanks for watching.